Good afternoon. My name is Kara Radabush. I work for the Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality, Air Quality Division, and I manage the section Infrastructure Management and Program Services. Today, I am going to help you address some questions that have come up about filling out your excess emission 30-day report. First off, I want to show you that I have an immediate notice already submitted. What I can do is I can take the submission ID with this immediate notice, and I can pre-populate my 30-day report. So I will go ahead and copy this and go to the form finder. And for excess emissions, you will always have to pick Air Quality Division, Air Quality Compliance and Enforcement, and go to the 30-day report. So on your 30-day report, you can paste in your submission ID from your immediate notice. You can leave the other two fields blank, and you can just click Begin Form Entry. Now you can see that the 30-day report is already populated with the company and facility information, including the permit that was involved, the rules, and the point source, the emission point source. So I just continue on with that, and I enter my event stop date and time. And this is just a warning. Um, I do not think it will prevent us from progressing forward. So this was an engine, and we had visible emissions because of a cold start. Okay, next section, episode. Now, what I'm going to show you is a common problem that we're having with the 30-day report. So here you see this message again, episode cannot start before the event. And I believe it is because I have 11:55. And if we go to the event, my start time was 11:57 a.m. So now that I made the time match, that warning has gone away. However, that's not accurate. That's not what really happened in our situation. So this needs to be fixed. So the question is, what's the best way to fix this? Well, the fundamental way to fix it is we need to abandon this excess emission 30-day report that we have started. Don't worry about it. You don't have to contact us to delete it. The system will take care of any drafts that are left in a draft status, and it will remove those drafts after a certain period of time. So I'm just going to leave this report. So something that you can do to correct it, if you want to inherit all of the information still on the excess emission immediate notice, but just change the time, you can come here, you can view it. You can actually revise the immediate notice before you do the 30-day report. And this may be the easiest course of action for you. So I will start a revision. So I come here and then I go to the event information. And you can always use these breadcrumbs over here on the side on the left panel. Now all I have to do is change that to 11:55. The rest of the information should be the same. I can just review my report and certify and submit. Okay, now I can return home. I can go back to history, and now you see that immediate notice has been brought up to the top of your list. So again, I will just copy the submission ID and go to the Finder. There we are. Start my 30-day report again. So again, if you are using an immediate notice submission ID, you leave company and facility blank and begin form entry. All right, now I will go directly to event information. And here is what I'm looking for. My start time now lines up with the actual time that I need to report on my episodes, or at least the first episode. Okay. And I change that to PM, and that takes care of the warning. Okay. Start. So there is my corrective measure. I will go to the episode information. And here is where I want to enter 11:55 a.m. And you see we don't have that warning that we had before. Change that to PM. So it has pre-calculated we have about 16 minutes of excess emission. So here we just make the appropriate selections. Can review. Certify and submit. And now I can submit my excess emission 30-day report. Now, I think I discussed another way that you can address any inconsistencies that were on the immediate notice that you need to change in the 30-day report. Another way is to skip the immediate notice altogether, skip the pre-population altogether, and just start an excess emission 30-day report from scratch. But again, you are going to have to do a lot more manual entry, starting over from scratch with the 30-day report. I hope these tips have helped you, and if you have any questions, please contact us at 405-702-4100 and ask for the Infrastructure Management and Program Services section. Thank you.